Hi everyone. In today's tutorial, we will show you how to add a cross symbol checkbox in a PDF. This is useful for making selections, filling out forms, or reviewing documents digitally. Let's get started. On the dashboard in the browser, all we need to do is type Foxit Editor in the search bar. This tool will help us add a cross symbol checkbox to a PDF. Next, we need to click on box.com and upload the PDF where we want to add a checkbox. For example, we have a sample PDF here. We will use this as our example. Let's wait for it to load. Once the PDF is open and we want to add a checkbox, all we need to do is click Home, then click Fill Inside, and we will see the checkbox option appear. From here, we can place the checkbox wherever we need it. We can also add an X for the cross symbol. If preferred, we can also add dots, or simply use a box. It all depends on what we need. If we want to add a cross to the checkbox, we can do that too. Once we are done, just click Save. That's how we add a cross symbol checkbox in a PDF. With just a few simple steps, we can easily customize and mark our documents.